Hi everyone, Rainey with my dream boat project, and today's do-it-yourself project is making drafting splines or boat drafting ducks. If you're familiar with them, when you do drafting like what I'm doing today, okay, is you put all your marks down from the plans on the plywood, and then you have to get that piece of wood to shape it right over here, and you have to be able to hold it right on the points. Okay, so you could take your pencil and then go ahead and draw according along the line along this piece of wood to know where to cut to get all the pieces of your plywood boat, which is what I'm doing today. Initially what I did with my last boat is I actually put nails in here and there, and if you make a mistake now you got holes and you got to re-nail it. So I wanted to find a way to do this. Went online to find out they use things called splines or ducks. They're about probably 3-pound lead weights shaped like the head of a duck. That's why they call them ducks. And they have a little hook on them, and they use them much like I'm doing these bricks. But I'm going to show you how to make your own, because those, I looked them up, they're anywhere between $25 and $35 each. So to get how many you'd need, you're probably going to spend $600 to $800. And if you're only making one boat, that's a lot of an investment if you're not going to use them again. So I researched a bunch of different ways to make them, couldn't find anything I quite liked, and then I figured it out. Okay, I'm going to be using bricks. A brick only weighs about 5 pounds, but if I make it right, if I put a hook in it, it'll work just like the weighted duck or spline, which costs $25, but this is going to cost 77 cents each. That's right, all the materials. I just came back from Home Depot, and here's the receipt if you want to see it. Okay, everything's right on there, but all the different parts that I got are right over here, in fact, and hopefully you can see everything. And what I bought was, let's see, I bought these screw hooks. I got 15 of these. These are just like a bent piece of metal. I bought a drill, and if you want to know what the drill looks like, it's right over here, and I put a piece of tape around it so I got the depth of my screw. Okay, you can see the screw head. That's the exact depth is what I have here. That's how deep I want to drill into the brick. Okay, and then I'm using hot glue to go inside the hole. I'm going to show you, I'm going to put them together in just a moment for you. But I just wanted to show you now, the prices are all right there, but the interesting thing is these bricks, they only charged me a penny a piece. That's why the total was $11.63 for 15. That brings it down to, with tax, 77 cents each. What a deal, huh? Normally the bricks go for, I believe it was 53 cents each, but I got them for a penny. So that's the cost. Let me show you what it looks like here. I've got one here all put together. You have the brick, and I drilled the hole, and I got the hook there. And why do I have the hook? Well, let me show you down here. A lot of times you can just put a brick to hold it when it wants to come this way, and it'll stop it. But sometimes, you know, if it was on this side, I should say, it'll stop it, but you can't really put a brick here, it'll fall. Okay? So by putting the brick on this side, here's my dot right there. I could bring the stick right up to the dot, and it won't go any further than that. So you can see I have the hook, that one there, the second one over, I could actually put it on this side because there's room, and the last one I could too, but I'm just using the hooks. And you can even wedge it this way if you want, just to make sure it doesn't move either way. So it's pretty cool, and it's 5 pounds, it's not going anywhere. So let me show you how easy it is to build these. What I did was, like I said, I went out and bought this drill because this is a masonry drill. Okay, it goes into brick. I already started to make a few holes, so I get the hole right about where I want, right about here, and just drill right into it. This simple, all the way down to the tape. Oops. There we go. Do one more just to show you. And then what I do, I knocked out some of this because I didn't want to I had a hard time getting the screw in there because there was so much dust in it before. And I'll show you how simple it is. See, I just did this one, so I'll get it out of the way. Knock the dirt out of there. And now here we go. Here's the hooks. Let's let the hooks free. Whoops, didn't cut deep enough. So there's 3 of the hooks. And here's 6 of them right here. Goes there. Extra piece of metal. And then I have my glue gun. So are you ready to see the magic? Make sure the hook fits in the hole. It does. Put a little bit of hot glue inside. Some glue on the... Stick it right in there. There we go. It's sticking really good. Oh boy. And there we go. One's done. One more time. Make sure the hook fits inside, which it does. Put a little bit of glue inside and a lot of glue on the stick, on the screw. Push it right in. And see that? Between drilling the hole, it's already hardened, and putting it in takes a total of about, what, 2 minutes? And oops, we need to, let's go ahead and time the whole thing, okay? Drill the hole. And see if it fits in there. Oh yes. A little bit of glue inside and glue on the screw and shove it right in there. Look at that. I'm going to put another drop right here to make sure it stays on. And there you have it. A do-it-yourself brick, duck, or spline, or whatever you want to call it. Just take it, put it right in a row with the others, and you're all done. Hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful. Now I got to get back to drafting. Thanks for watching and happy sailing. Bye-bye now.